Mangalmay Institute of Management and Technology, Greater Noida, ranked AAA by Business and Management Chronicle and ranked A in Best B Schools of India by Business India, offers advanced courses in the field of management studies. MBA, MBA Plus, MBA Plus Plus. The MBA programs are affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. MBA Dual Specialization in Marketing, Finance, Human Resource, International Business, Information Technology and Operations prepares students for aspirational opportunities in the industry. Also provides them skills to set up their own business or social ventures. Our MBA Plus and MBA Plus Plus are tailor-made programs to accelerate the career by providing a strong foundation to budding managers. The IIM Bangalore certification in MBA Plus Plus program is intensive training designed to give an extra edge to the students in this highly competitive workplace. The student gets an opportunity to master in any two fields of study. The program includes workshops, training, and certification from a wide range of Indian and global content. The strategy is designed under the framework of Knowledge Skill Attitude (KSA) for climbing the professional ladder. The teaching pedagogy at Mangalmay follows contemporary management education methodologies delivered by experienced professionals and encourages lifelong learning through experiential techniques such as case study administration, peer-to-peer learning, webinars, industry mentorship, guest lectures by industry experts, e-learning, theatre technique, role plays, field researches, assignments. Our MBA Plus program is one of the popular management courses because of the advanced certifications provided during the program, such as retail management, financial planning, financial derivatives, entrepreneurship management, digital marketing, Six Sigma Green Belt, and many more. At Mangalmay, the students get hands-on experience by observing real-life classroom teaching and excelling in the same during their internship period. The institute has set up the Kalam Center of Excellence, where management students are encouraged to build products or incubate startup ideas under the guidance of faculty mentors. Mangalmay Institute boasts of an automated library resource center with the best collection of e-books, journals, research publications and magazines. The vibrant campus life with extracurricular activities and ultra-modern hostel facility for girls and boys separately helps in making the institute the second home of the students from across the country. Our faculty is our pride. Mangalmay's experienced and qualified faculty offer unparalleled experiences in their respective areas of specialization to all the students. They introduce innovations in teaching pedagogy, continuously improving the quality of teaching. This helps us to retain our position as the top college in Delhi NCR in MBA program. The stellar placement record over the years speaks volumes about the quality of the MBA program offered at Mangalmay Institution, with key recruiters from Fortune 500 companies. We have a dedicated and competent placement cell with strong industry connect responsible for internships and placements. Despite the pandemic crippling the economy and job market, the Career Development Cell enabled over 70 plus companies, including industry giants, for recruitment drive over virtual campus placement for the year 2020.
Mangalmay Institute of Management and Technology impart the quality education in the field of management. We are a premium business school in Delhi NCR. We provide the choices of the student for the technical and non-technical organization in order to develop them as a creator, performer and problem solver for the corporate worlds. For the participatory learning, we focus for the case studies, live projects and industrial visits. Through the guest lectures, seminars and workshops, we provide the industry academic interface for the students. We focus for the add-on programs like NISM, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, finance to non-finance. And in this certification program, we ensure that 2 certifications per students. For the platform of the foreign certification, we provide the Coursera, edX and LinkedIn certification.
And we at Mangalmay ensure that all students undergo rigorous pieces of training for the dream placement. Some of the top MNCs and industry giants who visited Mangalmay for recruitment are Genpact, Paytm, TCS, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance, etc. The highest package for the year 2020 was 12.4 lakhs per annum. Holistic management education continues to be the need of the industry. Our MBA program enables students to master skills through its rigorous curriculum and build a portfolio of experience through multiple internships and real-world learning opportunities that prepare them to excel. Become a part of Mangalmay Institute of Management and Technology, Greater Noida, and fulfill your dreams. For admission, you can visit www.mangalmay.org or call 1800 103 3797.